open for you guys today. This is something I got from my mom for Christmas and her birthday this year. She been wanting an Apple Watch, so this is what I got her. She currently have this phone and the product red case, and she loves red. So we got the space gray iPhone and the product red case. I did get her this Beats headphones to match the case and also the watch. These are the wireless headphones. They're the black and red, and they match perfectly with the Apple product red that they have available. Okay, put this here. We also got the an extra band that is product red as well, because she ended up wanting the Nike watch version. This is the 4th generation watch, so you can see, and they have partnered up with Nike. This is space gray aluminum case, black Nike Sport Loop, and 44mm. So with no further ado, let's open this up. I don't know about you guys, but I love opening Apple products. So exciting. Let's see how this opens. Okay, so this is an extra case that comes in, and so it comes with the band that she chose here, and then this is the watch. I do not know what this is for. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's just instructions. Designed for athletic by Apple and Nike. So it's like a little brochure that comes in. Again, just like the iPhones, it comes with a charger. And this is the charger for the watch, which is way different, as you can see. Circular. And this is the watch here. Oh, see, it comes with this little case. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna, there it is here. Here's the watch. Yeah, look how cool it is. It has Nike here, says Apple Watch Series 4 Nike plus 44mm aluminum ceramic case. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the one that she got. So it says black Nike Sport Loop. It looked pretty cool when we saw it at Apple. And explains to you how to place it. like that. And oh my goodness. And like this. Great. And then I'm trying to turn it on. I'm gonna try it on to see how it looks. I have a very small wrist, so it's not gonna look good on me. This is too big. This stuff is rather big. Okay, here we go. The case, I'm sorry, not the case. The band is very sporty. It's soft, and you can make it big or small, as you can see. It's very nice. It just looks sporty for me. Now I'm gonna try the other band so you guys can see. Hey guys, I'm back. So I was having major difficulties of how to take the band off, but now I know. So let's do this. So right here in the back, there's a little tab right here. So you'll press it and then you slide it out. Finally know how to do it. I was having such a hard time because I was pulling it, you know. Okay, so there it is. Still updating right now. I'm syncing it to the phone, so I'm gonna try. This is the Nike band, and we're gonna try the regular band. By the way, this watches do come with a band already, but if you like another color, you just choose. Obviously it has to be black, and then you choose, you know, to buy another color if that's what you want. So as I said, my mom chose the red one, the product red from Apple, to match her case because she loves red, and black is just a everyday color, you know, matches with everything. So if you do get one of these watches, right here they have the instructions, and I didn't read it because obviously I'm making a video. Oh, so this is how it comes. I do not know why. Oh, it has an extra one because this one is small, medium, and medium to large. So my mom has a small wrist, so I'm gonna try the small one. And I'll leave the large there. That's cool that it comes like that because you never know, you know, what your wrist size is. Especially if you're buying a gift for, you know, your husband or boyfriend or fiance. You don't know his size, so it comes with both. That's nice. So there it is. And this is how it will look. It's pretty cool. And they have this case in, let me see, I can put it in many other colors. It comes in black. Like if you want the black one, it comes with the black one already, but we chose the Nike, as I said. So this is the small, and it fits me because I have a small wrist. See, press it like that. What happened here? You're not doing it right. Okay, what happened here? Okay, so it goes like this. Like this. That will be very difficult to put on me by myself. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Can you see how that goes? So to take it off, you go like this. So this will go inside here. And then like that. It's pretty cool. See that it matches perfectly with the red already, and it also matches the Powerbeats by Dre. It's not perfectly red, like matches perfectly, but it's pretty close. This is more like a peachy kind of red, and this is more of a red. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like me to open anything else from Apple, please comment in the comment area below. Thank you so much for watching.